LGMK stock analysis for Thursday and onwards. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. LogicMark, I don't see it like as that much of a bullish kind of instance. This 1 hour chart. Zooming out, yeah, I mean, for sure. Having made 40,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. You can check it all out on my YouTube channel. The only person in this space actually done these types of numbers for 5 years straight. So many also like receipts in my Discord as well. And with LGMK, all I care about was this is only going to be bullish if I see a full candle close above 0.0182. And if that doesn't quite happen, why the heck would I bother or buy, right? It's not going to be happening. So the double break rule still lives to this day. And I'm yet to see it actually still being... I mean, I've obviously seen it before, but yet to see it with the LGMK specifically. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with the indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.